Igagalang ng Philippine National Police o PNP kung nanaisin ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na palawigin ang termino ni PNP Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbila. Ayon kay Police Regional Office 3 Director at PNP Spokesperson Police Brigadier General Jean Pajardo, hindi na bago ang pagkakaroon ng extension sa lalo na ngayon na nalalapit na ang halalan. Ang hepe naman ng pambansang pulisya ayaw munang magkomentaryo hinggil dito. Si General Marbil ay nakatakdang magretiro sa February 7 pagsapit ng kanyang mandatory retirement age na 56.
For one, this will not be the first time that a sitting Chief PNP will be extended. So this is not new to the PNP hierarchy and even sa mga mababa po nating mga ranggo po. And at the end of the day, it will always be the prerogative po ng ating presidente. But like I said earlier, whether the chief will be extended or not, what we can assure is the PNP is ready to face any security threats for this coming election.